Hi there. Frustrated with the pesky Temu error demanding you try a different payment method? You're not alone. Many users face this hurdle when trying to complete their payments. Worry not, because in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Temu error, try a different payment method with a series of practical solutions. Let's get started on resolving this issue so you can shop with ease. Step 1. Check your payment method. The first step in tackling this error is to ensure your current payment method is properly set up and valid. Whether you're using a credit card, debit card, or an alternative payment method, double check the details. Ensure your card hasn't expired, all information is correct, and that there are no restrictions on your account. Sometimes even a small typo can lead to rejection. Step 2. Clear app cache and data. Apps like Temu often save temporary data, which can lead to glitches. To fix potential app issues, clear the cache and data of the Temu app. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps. Find Temu and either clear the cache or storage data. For iOS devices, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Cleaning out this old data can help the app function smoothly and possibly solve the payment error. Step 3. Update the Temu app. Make sure your Temu app is updated to the latest version. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Visit your device's app store and check if a new version of Temu is available. An updated app might resolve compatibility issues with your payment method and eliminate that annoying error message. Step 4. Use an alternative payment method. If your original payment method continues to be problematic, try switching to a different one. Temu usually supports various payment options such as e-wallet, PayPal, or a different credit card. Trying another method might bypass the restriction and allow your purchase to go through without a hitch. Check internet connection. Sometimes the issue isn't with the payment method itself, but with the connection between your device and the Temu servers. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A strong and steady connection helps ensure a smooth payment process. Step 6. Contact customer support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu customer support. They can provide personalized guidance and might identify issues that aren't immediately apparent. Gather all relevant information such as error screenshots and payment method details for contact support so they can assist you more efficiently. Navigating the Temu error demanding you try a different payment method can be frustrating, but with these steps, you'll have the tools you need to overcome the issue. Whether it's verifying your payment details, clearing the app data, or contacting customer support, these strategies should streamline your shopping experience. Remember to keep your app updated and explore all available payment options. By following these guidelines, you're well on your way to fixing the error and enjoying hassle-free shopping on Temu. Happy shopping and hopefully free from payment obstacles.